start recording, and here we go. What is going on, guys? Journaling here for the first time and second time. I need to journal way more, but anyways, there is so much respect right now for this midpoint, but market hasn't opened yet, so we're gonna stick to our rules, and we're not gonna trade this yet. If we get more confirmation, then obviously, but um. But if we don't, then we're going short. Well, but anyways, yeah, getting a lot of respect here. I like to see that. If we do, looks like we are breaking down it. But anyways, I wrote down what our biases for today. Um, when we haven't clicked bot yet, so now market is opening, and let's see on the 5 minute. I think we ended below the midpoint. Yeah, so that's not gonna be good. Good thing we didn't trade that yet. Anyways, now the 8 a.m. the like break and retest isn't very valid right now, especially if we go below 5 points. Um, but now because we are, I feel like we're gonna target these lows unless we come back and bounce off of this. But here I'll read it. So today, Tuesday, and market opens in 10 minutes. That's when I was writing this before recording. Yesterday, market sold off crazy, but a London session has been in a small uptrend. The 8 a.m. orb is around 6 points. It broke up, and there is a close London session high on it. So that's right here. My bias is that the break and retest will play out to the upside, and I will target the high. There is respect at the midpoint. Um, but every time that it comes back down, it makes a new low, or like a higher low. New higher, new higher low until it hit the top of the zone twice. I will set my limit order there and target 12 points to the London high. So, I was talking about this. Um, boom, new high, new high, new high, new high, and then this twice. I was like, okay, I'm gonna set it here. If it plays out, played out for a little bit. Came down, rejected here. I'm like, all right, so we might set it here. Boom, boom, boom. Now we're gonna keep selling off. Um, is VIX coming up? Yeah, VIX is going up like crazy, and Q is going down. So what does that mean for us? Um, that means there is no respect at all for the midpoint. But I'm going to target to the downside if it comes back. If it doesn't come back, then um, like I'm gonna do something like this. 15 points right there. But if it doesn't, then we're just gonna wait till it hits any of these. I don't want to trade a bounce because they are so close to each other. They could bounce off of any. So unless I want to take a trade that's like 3 points big, um, unrisky, but it's not what I want. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can come back, target maybe even the top of the zone. But we're just gonna see what happens right now.
Power off.
Alright, we're coming back. Oof. Scary stuff, man. Is it working right now, though? If it hits our take profit, I'm going to cancel this trade. I should not have hesitated, man. And then we'll be done for the day. Because we're just going to keep coming down. Ooh, all right, we're gonna cancel this trade out because it played out without us. I'm not gonna sit here and wait, man. Well, I don't want Price to do anything else, honestly. Maybe bounce off a low, but only if I see confirmation. This would have been beautiful, but I hesitated. We're gonna write it down and then we'll be done for the day. See if this low does anything. I just want to see if anything plays out. I'll be right back. We're gonna keep writing this down. Honestly, actually, no, I'm not gonna say that. No, because this is a really stupid trade opportunity. Post trade. No trades today. Price broke the break and retest on the last second before market open. Before market open. So we didn't trade it. So the new bias was that Price was going to come back either hit the midpoint and keep going down and reverse and go back down. Or hit the top of the zone. Price at the top of the zone. Oh, the bottom of the zone. season coming. Alright, look at this. See what happens here if we break all of these. That'd be very happy. That'd be very weird. So first that one's done. So I entered, but I never got filled. But I never got filled. But I never got filled. Price kept coming down. And hit the take profit. Boom, end day. Not to hesitate. Alright. Well, that'll be it for the day. Crazy how we didn't even touch this. Or the 5 minute. That's crazy. Okay. Alright, that'll be it though. There's nothing really else to see over here. But yeah. Alright. I want to keep waiting, but do have somewhere to be later. That will be it though. So I will see you guys in the next one.